I'm approaching now.
Do you have access to the facility sorted?
Yes, I'm going to be able to get into the Cheekies factory with this pink outfit.
Oh, you look terrible.
Oh no, I'll look like one of them.
Okay, well good luck, and well done for not bringing Caro along to mess it up.
Yeah, she was bound out to be excluded, if truth be told.
Well, she shouldn't write such a name pub in the chat group, and then maybe we'd have a bit more trust around here.
Yeah, I guess. Okay, I'm coming into land.
Okay, good luck, Ravi.
Good day, Cheekies worker. Welcome to the happiest chip factory in the universe. I hope you had a most awesome and lovely day.
Oh, thanks. I'm in. These numbwits fell for it.
Oh, well done, Ravi. Now find your way to the main deployment unit.
Well, hello, Ravi. How are you doing today?
Oh, hi, Ritsby.
Love the pink outfit. Looks great on you.
Thanks.
Really brings out the color in your eyes.
Oh, you think so?
Yes. Listen, Ravi, I couldn't help but notice that what you have there is a pack of omnal warts, which you seem to be about to pour into our main deployment system, contaminating our whole factory and making our chips taste like pish.
Nah.
But it says omnal warts right on the packet there, Ravi. I don't think it's very becoming of you to be indulging in this kind of sabotage.
It's called Sabotage.
Okay, listen, I need you to go back to Auntie Argnard and tell her to stop pulling this kind of mumpo-shicken.
You can tell me yourself. I hear everything.
Oh, Auntie, hello. Listen, you need to stop doing this kind of thing. Maybe if you made your own chips taste a little bit better and made your ad campaigns a little less spicier, you'd be better off.
Oh, sod off, Woodsby.
Sorry.
Well, okay, I'm gonna send Ravi back now, and I'll send him home with a couple of packs of Cheekies Mastro Chinchips so you can maybe get a taste of what proper potato chips should taste like.